Arguably this question could be a skills in the environment question as much as a physics question, but I'm going to focus on the physics of it. So we are looking at going to altitude after diving at sea level. At sea level, the atmospheric pressure is 1 atmosphere. At 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters, it's 0.8 atmospheres. So using that information, let's try and draw a graph showing a pressure gradient, a differential in pressure between the pressure in our tissues and the pressure surrounding us. So we'll draw our graph here. We're going to put 1 atmosphere in there. We're going to put 0.8 atmospheres in there. And let's imagine we do a dive where we actually absorb nitrogen to a pressure of 1.4 atmospheres into our tissues. So when we ascend from a dive at sea level with 1.4 atmospheres of pressure in our tissues and we ascend to 1 atmosphere, we can draw a line showing that difference in pressure, and that line has a gradient. It is a slope. If we were to then immediately drive to altitude where the pressure is only 0.8, the slope becomes much steeper, a steeper pressure gradient, an excessive pressure gradient. And when the pressure gradient becomes too steep, that is when it is possible that bubbles may form, when the difference between the gas pressure in our tissues and the pressure surrounding us is too great. We have too great a pressure gradient causing bubbles.